Why you want time?
No, madam, I'm having little bit fever today. That's why I said.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರೆ ಹೋದ್ಸತಿನ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Amended appeal ಹಾಕಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Sir, your suit is dismissed in the trial court.
Yes, ma'am.
And the suit is of the year 2005. Even after 17 years, if you are not ready with your case,
ಏನು ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತಿನ್ನೆಂತದ್ದು suit for partition is dismissed on what ground? On what ground, sir?
On the ground that it is a self-acquired property.
No, not only that. What about IA4? In the suit, what was the IA4?
In the suit, ID.
2.5 ಹೇಳಿ argument. With 1 lakh of rupees cost, I have to dismiss this appeal.
No.
Unless
Friday.
you don't want to withdraw.
Friday it ಕಳಿಸ.
No, I will not adjourn to the matter. ಹೋದ್ಸತಿನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. IA4 ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಚಾರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. IA4 ಏನು ಅಂತ
ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ 10,000 ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಅಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಸರ್, ಅದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಇವಾಗ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೆಚೂರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್.
Yes.
Last time also I pointed out what is IA4.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. IA4 ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು IA4 ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಇದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ನಂಬರ್ 11 ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂನ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿನೇ ಓದೋದು ಫೈಲು. 4 ಸತಿ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು. Read para number 11.
Yes.
Page number 14 of your appeal papers.
Yes. Even otherwise, the material on record indicates that plaintiffs are not entitled for the reliefs claimed. In this case, the plaintiffs had maintained an application IA number 4 praying for amendment of the plaintiff, so as to incorporate certain amendments regarding the registered gift deed executed by defendant number 2 in respect of the settled property in favor of the defendant number 1. And pursuant to the same, the defendant number 1 having availed a loan for the purpose of construction of ground and first floor building from the State Bank of India. Further, the plaintiff had sought to aware about defendant number 1 having sold the suit scheduled property in favor of defendants number 3 and 4 under a registered sale deed dated 11/6/2004 and to seek additional relief of declaration, and the said sale deed is not binding on them. The court, wide order dated 6/11/2013, has dismissed such application. It seems that the plaintiffs have not challenged the said order. However, based on the IA4.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಾಕು.
Yes.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು. ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಟರಿ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. What remains in the suit? What remains in the suit? What remains in the suit?
So this is a suit.
Therefore, I will dismiss this appeal by imposing cost. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, she is deserted from the husband.
What can be done, sir? What can be done, sir? So your remedy, if any, is elsewhere. If she is deserted by the husband, your remedy is to file the suit for maintenance, not for partition.
No, she contributed to purchase the site.
No question of contribution, and therefore suit is maintainable and tellu illa.
At least claims jothe.
If you want to withdraw the appeal, I'll permit you.
Alla,
illa hodre illa.
One
and this has come up before this court, not only once. It has come up before many times.
One day time kodi. At least I have a word with my clients and then.
All right, tomorrow finally. At request of Sri Manju, Land Counsel for the appellant, release this matter finally tomorrow for admission.
Friday, Swami.
I am not sitting on Friday. If you want, right now this court will pass on.
Sorry.
Count in Visakhapatnam, 10 crores. Now the
10 crores.
10 crores. Now what they are relying on is an email that has been sent by the employee of our end customer. The end customer, when we made a demand, there was nothing forthcoming. We
Now
issued a
you supply shrimp through that customer, through him to the end customer.
Yes, that is the
Now
arrangement,
you
my
have
lord.
supplied it to him.
No, my lord. The transaction, how it is we have an arrangement with the petitioner. We place a purchase order on them based on the request made by our end customer. The petitioner directly supplies the shrimp to our end customer. They confirm receipt via email. Once that receipt is given to us, we release the funds over here. What has happened in this particular transaction? Admittedly, yes, we've had repeated transactions since the beginning of January. This particular transaction, when the email was sent to us saying that, yes, we've received the goods from that employee, we released 10 crores to them. Thereafter, when we raised our invoice on our end customer to receive payment after we paid them, the managing director informed us that there was no such goods received. Now, when we contacted them to say, show us the receipt, this is 10 crores worth of shrimp, my lord. It has to have reached them some way. Consignment orders, trucks, anything. Give us that document, we will go after end customer for payment. Till now, even before this honorable court, there is nothing to show that this product has been delivered except the email by the employee, who the very next day has said at the behest of the petitioner, I was forced to issue this GRN. So today we are out of pocket 10 crores. We don't know where these goods are. We are stuck before this.
I draw the attention of this honorable court to the complaint, my lords, which has been filed. The complaint itself categorically states that, my lords, the procedure of business practice that had been adopted by the complainant as well as the petitioner in this case was that an order used to be placed, order was delivered, GRN used to be delivered to the petitioner as well as the other party, and the amount used to be paid by the respondent to the petitioner, and later it would be recovered from the ultimate customer, my lords. This was the practice. Now the GRNs have been issued. What is mentioned in the complaint is that, my lords, this GRN itself was not appropriately issued, and it was issued at the instance of an officer of the company who had to pay me. This is the ground on which, my lords, a complaint came to be filed. On the very same ground, my lords, in the month of June, again before the Visakhapatnam court, police, my lords.
You said you will seek
I thought,
instructions.
my lord, this complaint that has been filed is by my end customer against his employee and them to say that there is collusion
Same
going on
offense.
there. I'm not
Same
even a
offense.
party to it. I don't know what the issue over there is, but I'm not a party to those proceedings.
Same offense, my lords. Same offense for the same transaction.
You're a complainant, huh?
You are a complainant. Complainant is one Nekanti who says that on the basis of whom they are claiming, my lords. Now, the question here is that, my lords,
The question here is, where is the shrimp?
shrimp has been delivered, my lords, to my
Delivered.
instructions. Shrimp has been delivered, therefore GRN
Delivered
has
and
been issued.
eaten also.
No, my lords, shrimp has been delivered, therefore GRN has been issued, my lords. Subsequent to the issuance of GRN only, my payment was released. Not before. And it is a continuous transaction to be noted, my lord. Since from January 2023 itself, this transaction has been in vogue. And there have been so many consignments, my lords, without any dispute, my lords, it has gone through. And this consignment, my lords, which was delivered in the month of May, the payment was made in the month of January. FIR comes to be registered in the month of, after a delay of 6 months from the date of payment, my lords. Now, it is a purely civil transaction, even if you have viewed otherwise, my lords. If they have a claim over me saying that I have not delivered the shrimps appropriately, my lords, the GRNs have been issued, it would speak to the other way round, that I have delivered it. Therefore, the GRNs have been issued. And it is also admitted fact that GRN has not been issued by a third party, my lords. It has been admittedly issued by the officer of the end customer being Nekanti. Any claim would be there, my lords, that would be against the company called Nekanti, but not me. And under 177, my lords, it categorically
Against
states.
that company, you have not registered any crime.
No, they don't do it.
Country or something.
No, my lord, we have not. The complaint that we have filed today is against the employee as well as the supplier. Now, I cannot make my end customer prove a negative. I can't ask him to come and say, show me how you've not received the goods. The email that they're relying on.
They one sentence killed.
Then my lords, section 177 categorically of CRPC states that offense has to be registered where it has happened. Now, my lords, this offense, admittedly, even as per the complaint as well as the affair, has happened at Visakhapatnam, my lords. It has got no jurisdiction and not even a scrap piece of transaction has taken place at Bangalore. They register a case against me.
All.
And try to strong arm.
Yes, madam.
My lord, the document
First
that,
thing is, everything has happened Vizag.
please,
And you have registered a crime here.
please,
You justify how you registered a crime here.
my lord, for this.
The
I
company is in
rely-
Bangalore.
Please, my
The
lord.
company is in Bangalore.
We are in Bangalore, my lord. The money has gone from our account to their account.
Prasanna.
One more point to be noted here, my lords,
Hmm.
that even as per the complaint, they themselves admit that the confirmation of the transaction happens by issuance of GRN, and that is the only transaction. I draw the attention of this honorable court to paragraph number 5 of the complaint, my lords, page number 27. They say that to fulfill the contract with Nekanti, Ninja placed various orders to supply shrimp to accused, who was required to deliver the same to Nekanti. In turn, accused number 2 issued GRNs to the Ninja Cart confirming receipt of the shrimp on behalf of Nekanti. Thereafter, Ninja Cart raised its invoices to Nekanti, and these invoices were cleared by Nekanti from time to time. This is all, my lords.
All right. Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner and the counsel representing the
That's one number 3.
Your name or
My name,
Sanjana,
Sanjay.
so and so. The issue in the list is quote unquote, where is this shrimp? It is neither delivered nor digested. Judgment reserved. Yes.